So today I'll show you how to schedule dark mode on the Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you can actually schedule dark mode to start at the time you want and to end at the time you want. So to do that, go to settings and then go to display, and then you should see light and dark mode. Now, of course, if you tap on dark mode, it goes automatically into dark mode. But if you want to schedule it, you can go to dark mode settings and then choose to turn on as scheduled. And then you have this default schedule, which is sunset to sunrise, but you can set your own custom schedule to start at the time you want it to start. Let's say you want to start at 8 p.m. and then you want it to end at maybe 8 a.m. as well. So you can tap on done, and then the dark mode will start and stop at the time you've set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.